fourth graders, here we go. I'm going to whisper talk right now because I'm telling you a secret. What I'm going to show you is a secret. Don't tell anyone about this. It's got to be our secret, okay? In fact, I'm going to go close the doors just to make sure. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to whisper though, or talk really quietly maybe sometimes because I don't want a lot of people to know. This is a top secret mission. This is a secret. Don't share it with anybody. Okay, here we go. Our learning target is I can solve problems involving time. And we're going to do a quick jump over to... Alright, we're back. We're going to go through now. For the secret. Remember, it's a secret. Don't tell anybody. So here's what we looked at yesterday. We looked at how to tell the difference between guided reading and lunch, about how much longer guided reading is. So we looked at taking this 5 hours, keeping it the same, and then we looked at this 20 minutes a day for lunch and converting that into hours and minutes. So what I did was I listed how many lunch periods we had. There were 5. I grouped them together knowing that 20, 20, and 20 is an hour. We were left with an hour 40. And then I knew that I needed to find the difference, so I subtracted. And so to do that, I thought of it more as counting up. So what I did was I took this 1 hour, 40 minutes, I wrote it here. I knew if I added a 20, that got me to 2 hours. And then I knew that I needed to add 3 more hours to get to 5. So I did a 20 and a 3, so I knew that it was 3 hours, 20 minutes as a difference. That is one way that you can solve this. We're going to look at another way that we learned yesterday. So the way we looked at yesterday, I'm talking too loud, is we looked at thinking of 5 hours in a week as 300 minutes, knowing that it's 5 60s gives me 300 minutes, and then thinking of our 20-minute days as being 60 minutes. So really thinking of this 20 as having 3 20s is 60 minutes. We have 2 others that make a 40. We get 100 minutes, and if we subtract them, we get 200 minutes. And then we looked at how can we figure that out into hours and minutes. So then we said that from these 60s here, if we've got 2 of them, that's 2 hours. And then another is 3 hours, and that gives us 180 minutes. And then we knew that we had to go, we knew that we had 20 minutes left over to get us back to that 200. So then we knew that our 360s gave us 3 hours. We were left with 20 minutes, and the difference would be 3 hours, 20 minutes. So now, my question for you is going to be this. We want to know for the week, we have reading for 40 minutes a day. We have writing for 30 minutes a day. How much longer is reading than writing? Keeping this in mind. How many days is reading? How many days is writing? My challenge to you is this: to use one of those 2 strategies that I went over, or I'm wondering, could this be done on a number line too? What might that look like? So either try one of those 2 strategies, come up with a different strategy, or see if we can do it on a number line.